All right, live from the OSCON after party. I'm here with Josh McKenty. Josh, how are you doing?
Doing fantastic, thank you.
So tell me a little bit about Piston. What is it and what does it do?
We're doing a commercialized version of OpenStack targeted specifically for enterprise private cloud with a specific focus on security and performance features.
And so your background is actually pretty tied up into the OpenStack world. How did you get into all this?
We will sink or swim with OpenStack. I was the original hire for the NASA.net project, which evolved into NASA Nebula. I headed up that technical team and helped to launch that as the compute side of the OpenStack story.
And so, sorry, with Piston, then when are we going to see something? Are people beta testing it now? Is it still in?
We have a limited number of beta testers, but we're really looking to make a general release in the fourth quarter of this year with sort of general availability early next year.
And you also have some ties into the OpenStack community. You're on it.
Absolutely. I'm on the OpenStack policy board. I'm spearheading at this point the FITS program, the Faithful Implementation Test program, which helps to define which products can be called OpenStack, as well as our academic engagement, research grants, and research programs.
And so what else are you thinking of as you go forward with Piston? What are some of the features and functionality you want to be adding, and what are you going to have right out of the chute?
Well, right out of the chute, we're really looking at the features that everyday large enterprise are asking for. How do we integrate with our back office systems? How do we integrate with our authentication and identity systems, monitoring, mediating, security operations? And then going forward in the future, we're really looking to how does big data play into the cloud, particularly the gap between the performance characteristics of compute and storage, so narrowing that gap.
And are you going to be working equally with the Nova, the code for the cloud, as well as Swift, the storage?
Absolutely. We're also making some innovations on the Glance side, the disk image management, trusted execution environment as far as how do you delegate third parties to execute your disk images, but specifically the classic MapReduce problem of how do you close that gap between where's your data stored and where is it processed.
Excellent. Well, Josh McKenty, thank you so much.
Happy 1 year.